Hello, good morning, all. So, before starting our new paper, Internet of Things, first I welcome you all, my all SYs, now as TY students. I hope you all enjoy this, our new virtual classroom. So, let's start with new academic year, third year, and in which paper number 2 is Internet of Things. I think you all aware about this concept of basic concept of IoT. In the unit 1 there are 3 chapters. In first we just take overview of IoT. Second one is about connected devices or which devices are used with IoT to make it smart. And third chapter is about connectivity, that is all the protocols and overall TCP/IP suite and its working. Okay, so let's start with chapter 1 overview. As usual, first is definition of IoT. When we learn anything, first we have to know it very well, that is its definition and its basic concept. So what is IoT? IoT is the network of physical objects, that is our things, embedded with electronics, software, sensors and network connectivity, which enables these objects to collect and exchange data. So, how many terms included while defining IoT? First is object, that is our day-to-day object like umbrella, like pen, then like chappal. All these are our basic objects that we can make smart by using this concept of IoT. So first thing, first term of IoT is what? Physical object. Next is what? Which we need to embed with electronics, that is like actuators, sensors, software and network connectivity. Okay. So in simple equation, how we define IoT? Objects plus electronics, that is actuators, sensor, software plus network connection is equal to your IoT. IoT allows objects to be sensed and controlled remotely across existing networking infrastructure, creating opportunities for more direct integration between physical world and computer-based system, and resulting in improved efficiency, accuracy and economic benefit. So they say what? It is the actual objective of your IoT. So what is first objective of IoT is what? It creates integration or like bridge between our real world and our computer based systems. And by connecting them or by bridging them, this concept of IoT makes our day-to-day life more efficient and more easy to live. So, are you getting this simple definition of IoT? Physical objects plus electronics is equal to plus connectivity is equal to IoT. Next, things in the IoT can refer to wide variety of devices such as heart monitoring implants, biochip transponders on farm animals, electronic clamps in coastal water. So all these are what? Already developed IoT devices. Okay, these devices collect useful information data with the help of existing technologies and then autonomously flow that data between other devices. So before learning this concept deeply, first we need to go in few steps backward, that is history of IoT. The concept of IoT first became popular in 1999 through the Auto ID Center at MIT and related market analysis publications. RFID was seen as a prerequisite for the IoT at that point. This means what? RFID is essential, or it is motivation for the IoT at that point. If all the objects and people in daily life were equipped with IDs, computers could manage and inventory them. Besides using RFID, tagging of things, that is tracing, okay, of the day-to-day things may be achieved through some technologies as near field communication, that is NFC, barcodes, QR codes, Bluetooth, and digital water marking. So all these are technologies, that is are all those are not recent technologies, they had already developed, and these technologies are used to tag the things and very well equipped with our day-to-day life. So this is simple scenario of how IoT works as per the example of RFID. So here object is RFID, then electronics is sensor, then to connect all these things here we use smart technology and nanotechnology. So how we differentiate these last two terms, smart technology and nanotechnology? Smart technology makes all the things, overall the things, that is whole things involved in IoT smart, and nanotechnology that focus on small things, individual small things involved in that particular IoT project. So see here, RFID, that is used to identify and track the data of things, that is your RFID card. Sensor is used to collect and process that data to detect the changes in physical status of things, that is to check whether it belongs to authorized person or not, that is that card belongs to authorized person or not, that can be sensed by this sensor. Smart technology to enhance the power of network by devolving, that is overall processing capabilities to different part of the network. So this focus on what? Networking capabilities, and to make these smaller and smaller things have the ability to connect and interact, this nanotechnology is used. So this focus on to make the connections between small devices involved in that particular IoT project. So this is the simple example of how IoT works. Next, flavors of IoT. Flavors means like highlighting features, or how can we use this IoT in different areas, in different fields. Okay, that is the flavors of IoT. So first flavor is flying stuff, second flavor is IoT in moving stuff, and third is in social stuff, and fourth is talking stuff. Internet of flying stuff. Here we focus on connected things that move above the earth surface. The most recent move in developing the vision or the reality of Internet of flying stuff was Amazon's unveiling of its experimental Prime Air and its delivery drones. So this is the recent example of flying stuff of IoT, that is Amazon's Prime Air and its delivery drones.